Boo-boo! Howdy doody, everybody. Howdy doody. Today we have we're in a different location for filming. I thought this was going to be a quickie. Turns out I ended up getting a package today, so we're going to make this, it's going to be a doubler. So I got two packages. One from Asia and the other one from an American shop called Holyground. That I'll give the link in this video so you can see and check out the website. It's the first time I purchased from them. So we have an Asian one right here, Asia package from China to be exact, and we have the Holyground priority shipped. That was a quick one in China. So let's crack these open. So, cracking her open here. Also, this is a Strictly Sneakers unboxing video. Forgot to mention that. Okay, so let's. Alright. Bubble wrap. So sometimes I have a clue of what's coming in, other times I don't. I had to think about this one, and there it is. This is actually wrapped in plastic. This is actually going to somebody. It was directly supposed to ship to him, but it came to me. These are the Jordan 1 mid-top blacks. Jordan 1 mids blacks. This black and white. This is actually pretty. This is on the rarer side. This model. Very hard to find now, actually. I had to search long and wide for this one. Let's take a look. This is actually pretty nice mid. You know, people have their feelings about mids. This is from Nike Japan. Looks like this was purchased from. So, not bad indeed. All right, so this is I already shipped. This one's from the Holyground. And let's take a look here. This is a Jordan 4 box. I know what's in here. This is actually for someone. So both of these are for people. And there it is. Jordan 4 Fire Red. This is the Jumpman version. Surprisingly, somebody wanted the Jumpman version still. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just saying, you're taking what. This is a brand new, by the way, and these actually look very good. When you buy something from a Jordan 4, now anything from like 5 to 7 years ago, you're taking a risk that these might crack on wearing. So these actually look very good. It's still firm on them. Let's actually take a look. $350 from the Holyground. Paid a little more than that. With shipping. I think it's pretty much the same material as what they used in the new retro from a year or two ago now, with the with the Nike swoosh on the back. So it's actually pretty nice. It's the same material, same leather. There's no difference. So you know, there was better material. Wow, 10 years ago. They tried to remaster thing. Trying that's a gimmick. In my opinion, but I'm not going to go on that tangent. So this is your Strictly Sneakers unboxing. Strictly Sneaker unboxings. Trying to think of what else to say here. So this actually, they did a good job. The Holyground. I'll have the link in the video. This looks very good. Box came in great shape. The shoes are in great shape. No no cloudiness in the air bubble. The China package Jordan 1 mids looked very good, and the shoe box was intact. I did not get a smashed box. So what do you think about that? That's a win in itself. So thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, you can subscribe. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one with more strictly sneaker unboxings. Damn it. See ya.